welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I like to do a lot of fashion, lifestyle, beauty, and music related videos. Also make sure to hit that notification bell so you get alerted anytime I make a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about some of my favorite healthy products and tips and tricks. Let's get into this. So my first healthy habit that I've switched up lately has been an investment in a fitness program. So just recently I purchased John James. He's Jesse James Decker's younger brother, and he has an ebook fitness program. So I just completed my 30-day workout program, and I haven't noticed super significant results, but I've always been active and always have worked out around 4 times a week. So with this program, it's 5 days a week. So that has upped it a little bit for me, and now I find that I crave to work out that 5th day, and I feel like really guilty if I do not work out that 5th day. But I really do like the program. So it is 3 days strength, 2 days cardio. And on those strength days, there is 4 blocks, and there's certain moves that you do multiple times, a rep. And then after you complete each block, there's a cardio burst. And I find that with other fitness programs that I've done, combining the strength and the cardio burst really helps generate the best results. So I am continuing with this 30-day program because I want to see, sometimes you need a little bit more time than just 30 days. So I'm on the following week of this 30-day program, and I do even notice an additional week some better results. I feel like my tummy's a little bit flatter. Also there's awesome ab workouts. So I do that even when I don't want to have a workout. I'll do the abs, it's great. And with the ebook bundle, the package that I received was $75, which a gym membership for a month is almost that same price. And I can do it at home, at the gym. You just need weights, a yoga mat, and then all of the exercises you can do basically wherever. And it's always, like, you always have it. It's always a PDF that you'll have forever. Included in the ebook bundle also was a 2-week slim down nutrition plan and booty workout regimen as well. So I haven't tried any of the other ebooks, but I'm eager to definitely try the 2-week slim down if I really need to fit in the dress or have an event that I have to lose maybe 1 to 2 extra pounds. Healthy habit number 2 has been meditation. My favorite YouTuber is Leora Alexandra, and she really challenged her subscribers to do a 30-day challenge, and the one that she was working on was meditation. And that's been something that even after New Year's I really wanted to meditate, because I noticed significant results after I do meditate for maybe 10 to 15 minutes. I have been doing it in the evening, so right before I go to bed, I'll do like a sleep meditation, and I find that I knock out at night. I have the best sleep. I feel really kind of that fogginess that you have in your mind kind of goes away, and you just stop thinking about all of the to-dos that you have to do for the following day or residual thoughts that you had of the day. It kind of, meditating helps you just let all of those things go. So the app that I've been using is Insight Timer, and there is an abundance of different meditations, and what I really do like is that they have time frames. So if you just want to do a quick 4-minute, 5-minute meditation, you have that little bracket that you can select, and it's like 5 minutes or less, 6 to 10, 15 to 20, and then so on and so forth. And also there's different categories. So if there's sleep, there's stress relief, there's loving, positivity, different categories to get you into that meditative state. There are unlimited meditations also on YouTube that you can find. Some of my favorite are Leora Alexandra, Erin Dowdy, and Gabrielle Bernstein. So my third healthy habit tip is drinking kombucha. So I've always had kind of stomach issues. I found that when I would make home-cooked meals, I wouldn't really have any issues, but if I would eat out, maybe kind of eat junk, I would always have issues like stomach aches. So I've been starting to drink kombucha, and I've really found great benefits from that. There's a lot of content related to gut health and how that is the core and the root of a lot of problems throughout your body that you never even thought were related to gut health. So what I've been doing is drinking kombucha at least Monday through Friday. And you know, they're a little bit pricier. You could also drink apple cider vinegar, do like a shot of that every single day. There's so many recipes, but I love the taste of kombucha, and there's so many good brands out there. It's easily accessible. You can get it at any supermarket. So some of my favorite kombucha brands are the Health Aid Kombucha. I love the Pink Lady apple, but there's so many other flavors that are so good as well. And then this new one that I've tried is Hum's Mango Passion Fruit Kombucha. It's not as strong as all the other kombucha brands I find. If you really aren't a fan of kombucha's taste, I think the Hum is a good kind of like intro kombucha taste. So I definitely would recommend that. So my fourth healthy habit, product and tip is lion's mane mushroom capsules. I always talk about her, Leora Alexandra. She would make this lion's mane coffee or latte, and it's really trendy on the West Coast. Like, there's a lot of cafes that strictly use mushrooms as a form of caffeine and coffee. Horisematic is actually a mushroom coffee line that has different types of mushroom coffees, and they are just like kind of powder packets, and you boil hot water, and you just make it as you would an instant coffee. But Leora recommends getting the lion's mane supplements and just doing it yourself. So you get about 120 capsules in this package. I think it ranges around $20 to $30 for one bottle. But also you can sometimes find different promo codes to get a discount or an extra bottle free. I can list if I found any promo codes in the description box below. But so to the benefits of lion's mane, the key benefit that really drew me to starting to take this is improves your mood and your focus. So lion's mane's mushroom reduces depression and anxiety. It promotes learning, memory, and attention, and it also improves blood flow, which brings more oxygen to your noggin. So I like to put it in my coffee as an additional boost and get ready and focused for the day. It kind of is a healthier option than coffee. I like to have that extra boost. So the way that I make my mushroom coffee is I just brew coffee as is, whatever I have, like Starbucks coffee blend, and then it just comes in the form of a capsule like this, and you just break it apart and let the powder go into your coffee, mix it in together, and you add any milk or creamer and sugar that you usually add to your coffee, and you're good to go. And I don't even notice a taste difference. It just tastes like my normal coffee. The only negative is sometimes it falls to the bottom of your coffee tumbler or coffee mug. So I would just make sure to have a spoon around so that you could really stir it in and you don't even notice the taste